Come test drive the 2020 Frontier. The Nissan Frontier offers a full-length, fully boxed frame for strength, serious off-road capabilities, and a 5-star rating for side impact crash safety. The Frontier's interior comforts include cab versatility, under-seat storage, and seating for 5. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: sliding rear window, aluminum wheels, traction control, remote keyless entry, mirror memory, cruise control, child safety locks, power door locks, power windows, power steering. This beauty will make even your house keys jealous. Drive it today.